देवदान मस्त अहोड़ा ने कहाँ पे मकान
ये वहाँ पे
यू भोलदान है
बहुत बढ़िया
कत का है
5 रुपये ही था
कहाँ पे मकान कोई
तो खपाड़ पे
अच्छा
2 3 4
और ये भीतर की नहीं हो लो वापस हो लो नहीं हो
5 ना गारंटी तो बितरे ही ना होगा क्यों नहीं होगा सर
Hello guys, good morning once again. I'm there at our familiar place of starting new blog. So welcome to you all this new blog. So guys, I'm here at the road now. So I will be going there at station because you all know because my timing is late now. So the Kemu bus goes around 6 in the morning, but I am at 7:30 out here, so it means I have missed that bus and have to get another bus. Maybe at some other station there is some bus. Let me go there and see you then. I have read here everything is well set at some other station. Well set. I mean morning view, quiet and calm, and morning running smoothly. So Chunda has opened. So probably I will be there somewhere. At this creeper you can see some vegetable. Torei. You can see that torei is there. Santoshji has not come yet. This is Hanuman temple. And what we can see here is the gates are closed. Earlier it was open there because the Kemu bus apply Tilak road. But now the bus has already gone and we are Tilakless. I mean we cannot apply Tilak because doors are closed. So, go to God and take blessing for our welfare. And Sunil ji shop is popular. So guys, backside Hanuman temple. That is Hanuman temple. See, look, this is the backside of Hanuman temple. There is a corridor and one peepal tree there. This tree is peepal tree. Which one? And that pot? This pot there, na? Which pot? There is a tap. Just next to the tap. This tree is peepal tree. So Hanumanji has planted a peepal tree also here in the temple. That is very holy and a religious purpose. And surrounding weather is clear, not as much as it should be. This is Hanumanji's Adab. This is the attraction of Hanumanji. See how deep is this? This is very deep, but these bales of cucumber and other vegetable. So how long the support they have given the climber to climb? How long support they have? Excellent. And that is elder road. Yeah, Dipuda, Buddha, backside. Oh. And this is Diwan, preparing for bread pakoras and cooking. Diwan, excellent cook, very long experience here. So he cooks nicely. He has made the Oh, Ramgarh market. Yes, I have reached here. Yeah. Perdón. ओखड़ा ने कहाँ पे मकान
ये वहाँ पे
यू फलदान है
बहुत बढ़िया
कत का है
5 रुपये का
कहाँ पे मकान कोई
तो खपाड़ पे 2 3
और ये भीतर की नहीं हो लो वापस हो लो नहीं
ना ना गारंटी तो बितरे ही ना होगा क्यों नहीं होगा सर
guys and there at school now. So thank you for your company. Just came talking to you and I'll be back after the school is over and if something interesting get to you. So guys, the school is over now, so I am down there going. This is 3 already, so I have to catch a bus there. Scenario out here, very good. And I take down there. I'm going to town, Dhanangar market. So this is Hanuman Mandir shop. I'm right there down, waiting for a bus to come. And if there is any bus, So the day has come to an end for us. Let us say goodbye to each other. And goodbye. Take care. Be back soon. I mean tomorrow morning. It's Teachers' Day tomorrow. So happy Teachers' Day to all. And bye bye once again.